Okay guys, as you guys heard, that's the Thinkware Q800. I don't want to talk today about all the reviews. Basically everybody already said on different YouTube channels. I want to talk to something different today, and this is real nice. It's a safety feature from Thinkware, and I'm going to show you guys right there. Right there is basically my Thinkware Q800, and so far it's doing a great job. But I'm gonna show you this, guys. Let me go out again to the home screen and let me crank the car, and I'm gonna show you something when basically you go to driving mode.
During park mode, motion detection recording. Over 10 and event detection recording. 1 occurred.
Okay, I just put my car in drive.
Continuous recording will now start.
Okay, now we got continuous recording.
Connect to a Wi-Fi network. The name starts with Thinkware.
Okay, let's go and try to connect to the cloud, and look at what's gonna happen. Look at this, guys. If I try to see the videos right now, it's gonna be impossible for me to see any video right here, or if I try to go to the settings, I'm pressing it right now, and nothing is happening. Now you guys usually see when something works, usually it's highlighted, but in this case it's shaded. Right here, the download videos, that's the only thing you're gonna be able to see. But you know, who's gonna see that? Maybe a passenger or somebody. But if you want, for example, if you want to put the screen and you want to watch what's going on right now, it's a good feature. I like it in the way that, you know, if for example something happened on the road and you wanna go and check your phone, you got the temptation to go and check while you're driving. Well, this safety feature from Thinkware is not gonna let you do it. Now, for example, if you turn off your car and you open your door and get out like you're leaving, right? You will see what's gonna happen. You're going to connect again, and let's say you're looking for the Wi-Fi, and hold on. Okay, Thinkware connecting. Okay.
Connected to a smartphone.
Okay, now look at this. Now, if you guys already in parking mode,
Recording will now start.
parking.
Disconnect from a smartphone.
Oh, okay. You see that? Okay, it's start again because now it's in the parking mode. But if you want to watch everything, well, you gotta put it on ignition, right? And everything's going to change because basically you are in a parking mode, right?
Continuous recording will now start.
Okay, let's see.
GPS connected. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network. The name starts with Thinkware.
Okay. Okay, it's connected right now.
Connected to a smartphone.
Okay, now you're gonna be able to see the different videos because you are not moving. The camera detects basically when you want to start moving, or for example, if your car moves, the camera senses and it turn it off all the features and everything in order to be a safe driver. I like that. You know, some people maybe it's not gonna like it, but in my case I really love it because you know, it's something that is gonna be maybe for the more mature people that is more careful driving on the roads. Probably this is not gonna be a problem for them, but for the young guys, young kids, you know, excited for the new camera. Wow, this is one of the best cameras in the world, and they're gonna try to see, let me show you this, and gonna show their friends and everybody. It's gonna be a temptation, and it can cause a real bad accident just because you're turning your eyes away from the street, and you're looking your phone. Okay, and something else, guys, that this is my second camera from Thinkware, the same Q800. And probably you guys wondering, what do you mean this is the second camera? You got two cameras? No, I ordered the first one, but I get it in a cheap price from Amazon. But I recommend you guys that before you guys buy the camera, go to check to Thinkware about what they say about third parties. Make sure if you are going to buy a camera from a third party, is one of those recognized third parties from Thinkware that is got the back of these third parties. Because the problem is, if you get it from an unrecognized third party, well, not only you can lose your warranty, also you can get a damaged product. That in my situation, I got this camera, and unfortunately the video quality, it was real bad. It was also, basically, I get three cameras. The first camera, I'm not even opening it. When I get it from Amazon, the box was crashed and was so messed up. And when I spoke with the guys from Amazon, they told me that unfortunately, well, that's the way the shipper sent it to me, and they said, don't worry about it, just send it back. I sent it back. I get the second camera, and this camera came with a defect, and it was so grainy. The quality of the video, it was really bad, and that when you're driving basically at night, you see all the distortion of the video really bad. You cannot even see the car plate numbers. You cannot see letters in case of something happened. You can recognize for maybe the not only the plate, but maybe a name, company, phone number, stuff like that. It was really bad, especially at night. It was so grainy, so shade. It was crazy. I gotta send it back, and the Amazon offered me a replacement, and I get it, but this time I get it from Thinkware, not even for any of the regular third parties. I get it directly from Thinkware, and I get this camera, and I installed it. That's the one you guys can see right now, and the quality was great. It was the same quality you see in those videos on YouTube, that when these guys review the cameras, and you see the quality, nice video quality at night and during the day, and you can see the play numbers and everything. It was awesome. This camera is amazing. And another thing they told me, because before I get this camera, I called them about the quality. I sent an email to them, and they respond real fast. Customer service is amazing. They sent me something as an answer to my email that I know you guys gonna be excited. All you guys with a Thinkware Q800, this is gonna be something new for everybody. But I was told by them they working hard in creating a new firmware to fix the problem with the grainy cameras. Some cameras got some you see right in the bottom of the hood when you're driving between the hood and the road. Some of you guys can notice like a grainy on the video. Some parts so not that good. They working real hard to make this firmware update in order to fix the camera, and they working in a possible future not only 2K quality like that we have right now, 30 frames per second. They working in a 60 frames per second, guys, and that's something I got new. I was told directly from one of the customer service representatives on Thinkware, and they working real hard. They say probably gonna be released maybe by the end of this year. I hope that's true. I don't see nobody else saying something like this in any of the YouTube channels, just guys reviewing it. But that's what I was told as a customer. I got this channel as a reviewer, reviewing different stuff. I don't specialize in a specific thing. You know, I consider myself as a savvy person in different stuffs. And for example, with something I like, I get it, and I try to put my honest review to all of you guys. That way you guys can take a decision if you guys want to buy it or not. So far, I can tell you my personal review about the Thinkware Q800 is a great camera. The quality is good, but make sure get it from Thinkware or a recognized reseller. Not get it from a regular third parties that you don't know just because you see a cheap price. Remember, something cheap maybe can be more expensive because you gotta end in doing payments, or maybe you're not gonna be able to return it. Thanks God we got Amazon. That Amazon got a good quality customer service, the best I ever see, and like well, I cannot see the best, but it's one of the best, including like Best Buy is another nice place that you can return the stuff if something is wrong. And you know, I like them, guys. I recommend this camera. Check it out, but make sure check the videos, compare the videos you guys see in YouTube, and if it's the same quality, just keep it. But if you see something real bad, call customer service. And if you see something like it's not wrong, maybe the camera is defective, especially if you get it from a third party you don't know. Watch out. You know, it's a big investment, and these guys are behind the product. I'm telling you, because they answered me real nice. As soon as I sent the email, not even 1 day later, they answered me back and told me this about this firmware update is coming in soon. That's nice. Just to let you know, guys, this is a different review for all of them. I just mentioned just the different things I see in this update, in this app, and I like that. It's very good. The image is clear, and it's clear. And you know, this is not like a regular review you guys see over there. It's like a kind of a news mixed with a small review about a little bit of the quality and the new updates on the app. Also, they working in those problems we got sometimes where you got the Wi-Fi connected, that you know is like sometimes like a freezing, like a you know, it's like a pausing the video for 1 second or two, less than a second, like a pausing it and go, pausing it and go, pausing and go, pausing and go. And they're working in that too. This is another thing Thinkware is working right now. And well, guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next Just My Review. See you guys later. Bye.